The first type of logical reasoning that we use on a regular basis is called inductive reasoning. When we use inductive reasoning, we are reaching a conclusion through the citation of several different examples. Now, it's important to note that when we use inductive reasoning, it doesn't result in true or false conclusions. Instead, the conclusions that we make are generalized based on the observations that we've made. So, our conclusions are more likely or less likely to happen. As an example, traffic predictability is a great example of inductive reasoning, or reasoning from specific instances. Think about it this way. Let's say that I have a new job starting on Monday at a school that I have never been to before. So I leave my house at 8 a.m. and it takes me approximately 45 minutes to get to work on Monday. Tuesday, I go to the same school and I leave at 8 a.m. again, and once again it takes me 45 minutes to get there. Wednesday, same thing, 45 minutes. Thursday, 45 minutes. Friday, 45 minutes. Let's say I have to go in on a Saturday, and this time it only takes me 30 minutes to get there. If I repeat this experiment over the course of several weeks, I can draw the conclusion that rush hour exists. That if I leave my house on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday at 8 a.m., I'm likely going to hit pretty severe traffic that's going to lengthen my commute. Whereas if I'm leaving on a Saturday or a Sunday, or if I leave at, let's say, 10 o'clock or noon, the traffic patterns are going to be very different. And so I take all of these different data points and I draw generalized conclusions. If I leave Monday at 8 a.m., I am more likely to hit traffic than I am if I leave at 10 a.m. Another example of this is when you are searching for new classes to enroll in. And so let's say you have to take a PE class and you're trying to decide what teacher you are going to take that class with. So you go and you ask your friend, hey, have you taken a PE class? Who did you take it with? And they say, oh yeah, I took a PE class with Smith and they were fantastic. And then you go to your older brother who went to the school before you did, and he also says, yeah, Smith for PE is great. And you ask one of your classmates the same question, and they also say that you should take Smith. Based on the data that you have collected, you should probably take Smith for your PE class. And so when we use inductive reasoning, we are taking those several different instances of data and drawing a generalized conclusion based on that data.